How to turn off or on photo tags notifications on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on. First open VK and then go to this one here, hub, and after that go to these three lines and then go to settings, go to notifications. Now scroll down until you find here photo tags, and that's it. Here you can manage it. You can turn it off or on just by one click because it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.